If you want to speak English but you don't know what to say, start with these five sentences. They are simple and you can use them every day. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Dubey and I am from Uttar Pradesh. I am also learning English like you. And on this channel, I am sharing my English learning journey so that we can improve together. Today, I will share five sentences that beginners can speak every day. Many learners think that English speaking means big words, but confidence comes from simple sentences. When you speak simple English every day, fear reduces and confidence increases. So today's five sentences are very easy and simple. Now the first sentence is I am learning English. Say this sentence when someone asks you about your English. Now speak it slowly, repeat after me. I am learning English. Good. Now moving to the second sentence. The second sentence is please speak slowly. Use this sentence when you don't understand someone. This sentence gives you confidence. The third sentence is I need some time to think. Use this sentence when you are nervous or blank. This sentence is very powerful. Now repeat after me. I need some time to think. Good. Now moving to the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence is let me try to explain. Use this sentence when you want to say something but unsure. This sentence removes fear. Now moving to the fifth sentence. Last but not the least. The fifth sentence is I will improve day by day. Use this sentence for motivation and confidence. This will boost your confidence. I also use these sentences. I'm not fluent yet, but these sentences help me speak every day. And daily speaking is the key. Now, how to practice these sentences? Say them in front of mirror. Say them while walking. Say them loudly while cooking. Say them loudly once in a day. Now, 5 minutes is enough. If you are also learning English like me, subscribe to my channel and join me. We will learn together, grow together, and become a fluent speaker in 2026. Now, comment sentences if you want five more sentences in the next video. And tell me which sentence will you use today. Comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will reply everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.